This is probably the most easy way to make money in 2025. In this video I want to show you a website that I use to make money. I think this is the one of the easiest method to make money online in 2025. I will show you how I make money and how thousands of people already making money with this site. The site is called Whop. Whop is a marketplace where you can sell your own digital product or you can make money from other people's content. And as you can see here, you can see the leaderboard of the content creators in 24 hours. As you can see, this one, Drat, earned more than $50,000 just for promoting his service. As you can see, this one is called Automatic Trading Bot. It cost $500 per month. Yesterday, he earned $51,000. There are a lot of creators that sell their service and they earn a lot. But if you don't have a service, how you can make money with Whop? I think this is the best way for making money. The method is called content rewards. Those are all the opportunities you can use to make money. There are different type of content that you can make and you can upload it in different platforms simultaneously. In Whop UCG Creators, you can upload your videos on Instagram, TikTok and X. We can see this challenge is almost complete and it pays $2 for 1k views. This RPM is crazy because if you upload videos on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram or on TikTok or Facebook, you have already seen that the RPM is shit. For example, for YouTube Shorts, you can earn around 20 cents for every 1000 views. On TikTok, you can earn like 10 cents for 1000 qualified views. Instagram doesn't pay anything, and on Facebook you earn like 1 cent per 1000 views. For all this program, you have to reach a certain amount of subscribers and a certain amount of hours watched. But here on Whop you can earn immediately, so it doesn't matter if you have an account with 0 followers or an account with 1 million followers. You can immediately earn from this campaign. There are different types of content that you can create. For example, create UCG content, so our original content where you can share your face, or you can decide to create faceless content. Here you will create faceless content, faceless UCG content, and here you will create UCG content with your face. And as you can see, the RPM is a lot of higher, $3.5 every 1000 views. And here you can upload shorts videos. For example, 20 or 30 seconds is like the RPM of a long video on YouTube. You can upload video with music campaign, for example this one. You have just to create videos with music. And the last one is clipping. In this case, you have to clip videos about Conor McGregor, and this person, Loyalty Smith, have earned $440 just to post a 13-minute video. Every campaign has rules, so there is a time left, 20 days left in this case, and a payout. In this case is $10k. We can see the max payout per submission is $500. The reward is 40 cent RPM. Those are the platforms, so you can upload it on Instagram, on TikTok and X, and those are the rules that you have to respect in order to be accepted. As you can see here, there are assets and videos where you can find clips about Conor McGregor to insert in your video. After you have edited the video, you can submit it by inserting the link of the video and the video you exported, so the original video, to show that you don't steal it from another content creator. But it's not finished here, because Whop offers you different courses where they can teach you how to make money and everything about Whop. I let you the link to join it and start earning with other thousands of content creators. So this is a new way to make money online, and this is a huge opportunity to make money. So if you want to start to make money on this site, click the link down below and subscribe on it.